Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can we off guys auto rotate screen mode in our vivo phone. Guys, you want to off guys this auto rotate screen so as you can off it. And guys, now let's see how to off auto rotate screen in our vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now time to start video friends. First of all guys, open your phone setting to off this auto rotate screen mode. Then guys, scroll guys, click on display and brightness setting guys. So while we will tap here, again scroll guys, you can see auto rotate screen. So while we will off from here. And guys, when you will use guys YouTube app, as well you can see guys, your phone will not rotate. Guys, you can see. So I hope friends you have understood how to off auto rotate screen in our vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So it's now we will meet guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, just go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching my video guys.